Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Without the right drill bit, you won't get very far. That's where Varel International Energy Services comes in. As a leader in drill bit technology for the past 70 years, Varel provides solutions for mining, industrial, and oil and gas companies to get to the bottom of things. Headquartered in Carrollton, Texas, the company maintains a global presence with offices in over 40 countries. Varel uses a suite of proprietary software to design fast and long-lasting fixed cutter and roller cone drill bits. Cutting structure design, body materials, and gauge protection are engineered specifically for each drilling application. Their in-house technology center carefully tests and compares PDC and tungsten carbide cutters to maximize the bit's rate of penetration and durability. Varel bits range in diameter from 2 1/4 inches to 45 inches, the largest in the industry. With expertly trained personnel and the latest in CNC technology and heat treatment machinery, Varel is continuously improving the manufacturing cycle to provide consistent product and premium performance. Quality and safety comes first, which is why all Varel manufacturing plants are ISO 9001 and 14001 certified. Backed by their proprietary design capabilities, efficient manufacturing, and global sales force, Varel is uniquely positioned to provide reliable drilling and completion solutions for its customers. Find out more by visiting its website at varelintl.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.